Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to unblock phone number on Android phone. So if you have a phone or number that you already block and wanted to try to unblock the number, whatever the reason, it's very easy. Just try to search on your Android phone, because I'm using this Android operating system, and just try to tap or open this phone call application first, and then try to tap these three or two dots at the top of your screen, and you can use this block and filter. If you cannot see this, there is no option here. You can go to the settings and try to search block list or block number option in the settings. Let's get back and open block and filter, and this is all the number that I already blocked, and I want to unblock one of the number. Just tap on the number or tap the option here, just hold the number and then tap three dots at the top of the screen and try to tap remove from block list. So if you're done, the number will become unblocked. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.